Letter templates will greatly assist your staff in producing the required communication for activities. To create them, navigate to Activities and then Activities Setup. Then click on Letter Templates. In this example, there are 2 letter templates already there. Let's take a quick look at them by previewing them. In Sample 1, you can see that there is a top half and a bottom half. The top half uses more of a list style to lay out all the details of the activity. The bottom half is the tear-off permission slip. This top half and bottom half setup is typical for activity letters. Let's take a quick look at the second sample template. You can see that this template uses more of a sentence-based layout, rather than a list. If you look closely though, you can see placeholders here for text that can be auto-inserted. This information will be drawn from the details about the actual activity for which the letter is being produced. Again, the bottom half contains the tear-off permission slip, and this one contains quite a bit more information than the first sample we looked at. So how do you make a letter template? You can start from scratch by clicking New Letter Template. Let's type in New Template to get started. You'll notice that the spaces for the top and bottom halves are completely empty. This may be a bit daunting, so perhaps you might like to edit one of the samples. Let's go back. Let's edit Sample 1. Firstly, you can change the name and choose whether or not to show the page footer. Then, have a read through the template and decide which parts you'd like to customize. If you did want to create your own letter template from scratch, but needed a bit of a jump start, you could copy this text and then paste it into a new template. Adding new auto text looks complicated, but it's actually quite simple. Let's say that I wanted to add the activity end date for this activity. I can select the auto text from these menus up here. I'll make a bit of space first. Then let's copy the line above. And now we'll delete this last part and replace it with end date. I'll also add the word end here, just to make it clear that this is the end date. In fact, to make it even clearer, I could add the word start here. Note that these symbols here refer to text styling. This bracketed B will make the text bold. You can select these options here, along with the size of the text. The bottom section of the template follows the same process. It's really just a matter of deciding what information you think you need for your activity. You can make this as simple or as detailed as you like. Once you've made the changes, you can preview what it looks like. Notice here you can see the edits I just made, with the additional end date and the words start and end. If you're happy with that, click Save and then go back. Remember, you can have as many templates as you like, and each one can be customized for specific activities. When staff create their activities, they can more easily select the appropriate letters.